I know your problem. You're looking for a tough, reliable pair of speakers that won't break the bank, but you don't know where to start. Well, I've got you covered on today's episode. Hello, I'm Arron from Richer Sounds, and today we're going to be unboxing the JBL Control One speakers. But before we start, hit that subscribe button so we can keep bringing you new content. The JBL Control Ones have been around for many years and are a favourite at a budget-friendly price. They're designed to be rugged and multifunctional, and the chances are you've probably seen them in many bars and clubs over the years. Since JBL was founded way back in 1946, they've had a rich history of creating loudspeakers for personal use, music studio production, as well as concerts and cinemas. So let's take a look inside the box and see what you get.
Here we go, simple packaging, shows you exactly what you're getting. All the accessories are in the top of the box. We've got your usual safety info and warranty booklets. You get a safety cord included to keep them tethered to the wall brackets, which is good to see. And there are the included wall brackets, which is nice. No need to go out and buy alternate ones unless you really need to. And there are the speakers. They're heavier than they look. I'll just carefully discard of the packaging. And there they are with that metal speaker grill, super handy if you've got young children or animals in the house. There'll be no little fingers or claws getting through those. And on the back you've got those no-nonsense speaker clip terminals, so watch out if you've got some thicker speaker wire. They have rounded bumper edges and they're about 2.5 kilos. The cones are made out of polypropylene so they won't rot or crack. Makes them ideal for pool areas, conservatories and commercial venues. In fact, I used to work for a very well-known cinema chain that actually used these speakers as their surround speakers in several of their screens. And they were good because they just kept going and going and going.
Overall, the JBL Control One speakers are a great option for anyone who wants to enjoy high quality sound without breaking the bank. I definitely recommend that you give these a try, so why not pop into your local Richer Sound store today and organise a demo. Thanks for joining me for this video. As ever, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.